How to repair an AC unit. 1. Check the thermostat settings. 2. Inspect or clean filters. 3. Inspect and clean the condensate drain line. 4. Ensure the outdoor unit is clear of debris. 5. Check and tighten electrical connections. 6. Inspect and recharge refrigerant levels. 7. Clean the evaporator and condenser coils. 8. Check for any refrigerant leaks. 9. Examine the fan and motor for proper function. And inspect the ductwork for leaks or blockages. If you're unsure, call an AC technician. They'll help you out. Please subscribe and like this video and share it. Thank you. See you next time.